In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Apple Music artist Earl. First, launch Apple Music on your device. On a phone or tablet, open the Apple Music app. On a Mac or Windows computer, open the Apple Music or Music app from your Applications or Start menu. When it opens, you should see the main Apple Music screen with tabs like Listen Now, Browse, and Radio. If you are asked to sign in, use the Apple ID linked to your music so the layout matches what you see here. Once Apple Music is open, tap or click the Search tab. On mobile, Search is usually at the bottom right of the screen. On desktop, you will find Search in the sidebar on the left. When you select it, the main area changes and you will see a large search field at the top, along with recent searches below. This tells you that Apple Music is ready for you to look up an artist. Now type the artist's name into the search bar and select their official profile from the search results. As you type, suggestions will start to appear underneath. Look for the section labeled Artists, not Songs or Albums. Choose the result that shows the artist name with an artist picture or logo rather than a single track cover. On desktop, you can also filter to Apple Music instead of your library if you only see local files. After you click or tap the correct result, you will be taken to the artist page, showing their top songs, latest release, and discography. From there, click the three dots icon near the artist's name at the top of the page. On desktop, this icon is usually to the right of the artist name and profile picture. On mobile, it can be near the top right of the artist page. Make sure you are clicking the dots next to the artist name, not the dots next to an album or song, since those would give you a different link. Once you select the correct dots, a menu will open with several options related to that artist page. After that, hover over Share and select Copy Link. On a computer, move your mouse over the Share option in the menu and a side menu appears. On a phone or tablet, tapping Share opens a sheet with sharing options. In both cases, choose Copy Link from that list. The moment you do this, Apple Music places the full artist URL onto your clipboard, even though you do not see it on screen. You can now paste this Apple Music artist link into a browser, an email, social media, or your promo materials, and it will always go straight to that artist page. You have just learned how to open Apple Music, find an artist, and copy their official Apple Music artist URL. If this helped you grab your artist link, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it too, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Apple Music tips.